Welcome to Science Central in Fort Wayne, Indiana. I'm Tori. Come with me to check out this amazing attraction that your family will love. Science Central is a center for science and technology. Their exhibits are hands-on, creative, and exciting for kids of all ages. And the cool thing about Science Central is that it's indoor and year-round fun, and the fun never ends. Okay, let's go take a quick tour and highlight some of the 200+ exhibits at Science Central. It doesn't matter if you're 4 or 44, everyone loves a good slide. Science Central has a 2-story winding slide that adds excitement to the study of friction. Let's go. And be sure to bring the little ones. Kids Central offers kids under the age of 7 a chance to splash at our water table and climb through an indoor playground. We're here at the Science on a Sphere exhibit. It's the first of its kind in Indiana. Science on a Sphere is a 3-dimensional globe that teaches Earth and space systems in a whole new dimension. With the flip of a button, you can explore continents and their actual colors, the motion of ocean currents, and even planets, including Jupiter or even Mars. Science Central even offers daily demonstrations of all different types of experiments, like this one. There are so many exhibits to explore here at Science Central. You can even build your own race car and test it out on the track. That's just the start of a great day here at Science Central in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Come join us for hands-on learning and fun. See you soon!